Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today's video is for those who have taken the bold step to immigrate to one of the coldest countries in the world. Welcome to your Scotch trial. Just joking. First of all, I would strongly advise that you should land in a city where you have family or friends or relatives, because it makes the entire process a lot easier for you. If you do not have relatives and friends in Canada, don't worry, this video will be helpful. The information I'm going to be giving in this video is general, and let me clarify, I'm not an immigration expert. Everything I'll be sharing here today is based on my personal experience. Before you get on the plane, you need to decide how you're going to leave the airport. If you have either relatives or friends in the city where you're landing, then it's good for you. Otherwise, you can use either the public transportation or use Uber or Lyft. Personally, I would advise using Uber because of the convenience. Just make sure to add your local bank card, as you won't have the opportunity to pay with cash here in Canada. Once you're well rested from your travel, you need to locate areas where you can get a public transportation pass or card. The Presto card is used in the GTA, Hamilton and Ottawa. Usually you can get it at the airport, Shoppers Drug Mart, or you can search online where to get one. Once you load it up, now you can move from one place to another. The next thing is to get a SIM card and subscribe to a phone plan. Don't worry, you can always change your phone plan or carrier in the future. The most important thing is to have a functioning phone. As time goes on, you will get to know your preference. In Canada, we have two major providers, Bell and Rogers. All other small ones are subsidiaries, so just pick one that works for you. Your next step is to get your SIN. This is your social insurance number, and this is one of the most important numbers you will ever need in Canada. If you're a PR or a citizen or a temporary resident who wants to work or get benefits from the government, you need a SIN. You can get it at Service Canada, and I've put a link below for the website and what is needed. Also, be prepared to spend an average of 2 hours at Service Canada. Once you have your SIN, you need to head to the bank to open an account. I would advise you to do some research about what bank has the best benefits for newcomers into Canada. As usual, go with the best benefits for you, and you can always open other accounts in the future. You might want to consider convenience, credit card benefits, and other things. Canada is a credit-based country, which means you're allowed to spend now and pay later. But this is not free money. You would have to pay it back. I'm stressing this because some immigrants damage their credit rating before they even get started in Canada. Once you get the credit card, live within your means and do not buy things you don't need or cannot afford. Your next stop is getting your health card. Your health card is very important, as you will need it to get your free health care. Health cards are based on your province, so please research online on how to get the one for your province. Be sure to check for eligibility and documents needed for this application. I've included a link in the description for Ontario residents. Once you have all these documents, you can start looking for apartments and job hunting. For rentals, you can check sites like realtor.ca, rentals.ca, Kijiji, Facebook Marketplace. For jobs, LinkedIn and Indeed are the most common places to get jobs. You can also consider Glassdoor or any other reputable website. Lastly, as a bonus, if you're landing soon, winter is here. You will definitely need to get good clothes for the weather. Click the video above to see the best and most discounted places to shop for clothes in Canada. Like, subscribe, share, and please stay warm.